So with this patch, I want to, start pretty simple and bare bones, using the Voltage Multistage 16 as like the control voltage core of the patch. And I'm immediately going to patch usually with patching, I like to separate the audio path and the control voltage path. So the control voltage path here is just the sawtooth wave from the harmonic oscillator into the amp and tone, and the amp and tone out into the first channel of the scan and pan. I'm going to use the ref from the Voltage Multistage 16 and use that as my envelope that's going to open up the VCA and also open the filter. So every time we get that step, we're getting the envelope. Fairly simple. Now I'm going to use the CV arrow to modulate the pitch. And that's nice because it has the ability to have slides and on and off if I so desire. So there's no pitch there. Program some slides. Right, that's pretty rudimentary, but we have another row of control voltage here, and I know on my harmonic oscillator I have this bank of 8 harmonics, and I can address them through a few different ways. And one way that I like to address it is through the center control. I'm going to have the B row move around the center control. So we see some LEDs here. And for this patch, I'm going to have the harmonic mix output go into the multi-delay. Then out of the multi-delay, manual mix into the scan and pan. So we bring this up. Pretty happy with that. Next, it's pretty rigid. It's 16. It doesn't really vary. There's not much variation. The next thing I would like to do is maybe move around the timing a little bit. So I'm going to create a 3-step loop. So now we're trapped in this section here. You can find new harmonics with the B row here on that slide stage or before the slide. It's great that we have this option that can be nested here, but I want to move it around a little bit more. One way we can do that very simply is just by hitting the strobe button. Wherever this analog address button knob is pointed, it will jump to that step. Maybe it's interesting to have a little bit of random voltage trigger that button. So I'm going to use the random sampling, fluctuating random gate output, and it will periodically go to the 9th step and go forward. Find some new harmonics beyond this 9th step.